In today's video, I will teach you how to generate a bold line cartoon style portrait using AI. Let's get started. Creating bold line cartoon portraits is a fun way to stylize your images with a hand-drawn, comic-inspired look. With the help of Photor's AI artifacts, you can turn any regular photo into a sharp, high-contrast cartoon image with thick lines. To do this, open Photor's AI Artifacts page. This will take you to the Photor AI Artifacts editor, where you can apply different artistic transformations to your images. Now, click the Upload Image button and drag and drop your image into the workspace. And make sure to choose a well-lit portrait image for best results. Images with clean backgrounds and visible facial features yields more accurate results. On the left panel, scroll through the effect categories. And under the cartoon section, look for the bold line cartoon and click on it. This effect gives your image a thick lined, sketch-like cartoon look with high contrast and minimal color shading, ideal for posters, avatars, and social media graphics. After applying the effect, click the Compare button at the bottom right to view a side-by-side before and after comparison. And you can also zoom in to inspect the detail around the facial lines and edges. Photor's AI highlights outlines while simplifying color tones. If you're not satisfied with the first result, you can click the Regenerate button on the effect thumbnail. This will generate a slightly different version with the same style, and each generation usually takes around 10 seconds. You can regenerate as many times as needed to get the variation that you like best. And once you're happy with the result, you can click the download button at the top to save the image. File format will typically be JPEG or PNG. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.